Meaning of deplorable.
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 Deplorable. The word deplorable is an adjective that describes something or someone that is deserving of strong condemnation, censure, or reproach. It implies a situation or condition that is deeply regrettable, unfortunate, or unacceptable. The term may be used to describe behavior, circumstances, or events that are considered shameful, disgraceful, or dishonorable. The result of something being deplorable is often a feeling of sadness, anger, or disappointment. It may also lead to a loss of respect, trust, or credibility, as well as negative consequences or outcomes for those involved.